Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Scorpio. Scorpio people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Scorpio people, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your reading, okay? Okay. Okay. So we have Eight of Wands and Knight of Swords. Scorpio, are you in a rush to start something? Okay. Okay. Scorpio, are you waiting for somebody to take action towards you? Are you waiting for someone's communication? Okay. Maybe some of you are waiting for their call, appointment letter, or for call for interview or something like that. So you guys are waiting for something, waiting for some kind of a communication which is going to bring clarity in your life. Okay. And I feel that Scorpio, as soon as you will get any information or any communication from that XYZ, okay, whoever is there, okay, be it your person, be it your job interview, be it your offer letter, so whatever it is, you are waiting for their confirmation. Okay, you are waiting for their communication. So as soon as you will get any information, any communication from the other party, you are definitely going to start something new in life. Okay, and with full compassion, with full zeal, with full passion. Okay, so you are being very you know energetic towards something. You really wish to uh, you really you are being desperate to start something new in life. Okay, but all that thing depends on the communication which you are waiting. I mean, that you are waiting from the other person. Okay, if you are waiting for your current partner, that they'll talk about or they'll confront their feelings towards you, so I feel that as soon as they'll come towards you and tell you, or as soon as they'll try to communicate with you, you are definitely going to take action towards them. So something is there for which you are genuinely waiting. Okay, and I feel that you are waiting for somebody's confirmation, communication. Only then you'll be uh, only then you'll start acting on that particular project. Okay, it could be job, it could be relationship, it could be career, it could be goal, it could be anything. Scorpio, I'm also feeling that the communication which you were looking for most of you, that communication has already taken place. Okay, for most of you. Okay, so I feel that for the communication you were waiting from the last few many months, or from a very long time. That thing has already happened with you, or maybe that thing is happening with you right now, and communication has been done. Now I feel that you are taking the uh, steps towards this. Okay, steps towards your new job, steps towards your career, towards your relationship. Okay, now we have Eight of Cups. This is your partner's current energy. Okay, your person is moving out out from a particular situation. Okay, they are somebody who has uh, maybe they have lot many options in their life. Okay, but this is not what they want in life, so they are being very sad and depressed about something. They are looking for their happiness. Maybe they have come from a very from I mean, they have been into so many relationships, okay, and all of these cups are empty, okay. What home, I mean, all the relationships which they were into in past, okay, they have given them only sorrow, only bad time, bad memories. So now they are feeling kind of they are feeling done with all these emotions, all these empty cups, okay, because they have felt that all what whoever with them, I mean, whoever with them in past in terms of relationship, they were not with them for love. They were them with about for their money, for their material things. Okay, so now your person is feeling emotionally drained, okay, because they have been through a lot in life, okay, in terms of emotion. And at the end of the day, they find that all these cups were empty, so they are being really sad and depressed, okay, about the situation. Now they just want to move out from this situation, this love and relationship and all these emotions. Now they are, they are um, looking for new opportunities in their life, okay. They are just relying on God, okay, so just to see or just to check what is going to be there for them in future. Okay, so this Eight of Pentacles is telling me this thing. It is their current energy, Scorpio. Now let's see how you see your person and how they see you. Okay, how you see your person and how they see you. The Moon. As I said, that they are somebody who is moving away from love and emotion things. And I feel that with this King of Pentacles cards, you feel that this person has everything in life, but when it comes to emotion, they are completely empty. Okay, there's a deep void within them, inside them, okay, inside their heart, okay, that nobody can fill that gap, or nobody can fill that, okay, with this King of Pentacles. And you also feel that no matter how hard they show themselves, okay, no matter how strong they show themselves, but at the end of the day, there is something which bothers them a lot. There is something which make them feel empty, okay. And I feel that since they have moved out from these emotions, okay, these fake emotions, okay, so this is the reason they feel that, okay, I don't want to get into all that thing, okay. So they project themselves as a very strong person, okay. That's how you see them, Scorpio. But yes, you know that there is something not good at their end. The Moon. Okay, Scorpio, with this Moon, I feel that your person feels about you that you are somebody who is hiding something from them, okay. Maybe you have planned something about your future, maybe you have planned something about your career or finances thing, and you feel that once you'll until you achieve success, achieve something in life, you are not going to tell that particular thing to anyone. So that's why your person feels that you are being silent, you are being very secretive, okay. You are doing your own stuff, but you are not letting them know, okay. That thing is making them really you know I mean, that thing is making them really uh, really sick and tired. Can you see this Moon, and this Moon? Scorpio, I feel that since you are being very silent towards your person, because they feel that you are not telling them anything. So I feel that your person has started thinking in that way, that maybe she is all, or she or he is also like my past relationship. So I feel that they have started comparing you with their past relationships, okay. That's why they are feeling that's why they are kind of moving out of this relationship thing, because we have Moon here also and Moon here also. Yes, that's the thing, that is the thing. They are feeling dished by you, they are feeling left out by you. This is the reason they are feeling that they should move out, because they have lot many, you know, bad relationship experiences with them. So they do not want to continue, or they do not want to repeat that bad chapter of their life one more time. And since you are really silent, since you are working really hard towards your own expansion, towards your own growth, towards your own success, you are not, you know, telling anything to them. That thing is making them really sick and tired of these you know, silence and all that. Okay. Okay, Scorpio, let's see how you see this relationship and how they see this relationship. How you see this relationship, Scorpio. Okay, how you see this relationship. The Fool, and how your person feels this relationship, Scorpio. Ooh. The Fool. Scorpio, you feel about this relationship as a fool. Okay, you feel it's your person, okay, who is not aware what he or she is going to do in this relationship, and it's you who is cautioning them again and again and again and again. This is the reason they are just being silent and moving out. Okay, they are not thinking about you, they are not thinking about anything right now. Okay, they are just choosing their own peace of mind right now, and this is the reason they are taking leap of faith. Okay, maybe they just want to move out from this relationship to see what is going to be there for them in life, but I feel that it's you, Scorpio, who is, you know, stopping them to move out. Okay, even though maybe you are not talking to them, or you are being really secretive about something with them. So that's why they feel that okay, it's okay, now I'm done, I should move out, I should move away. Okay, and this person is, you know, acting as a fool. This person is taking their leap of faith. Okay, this person does not want to see where he is or she is heading in life. Okay, so they just want to, they have, you know, leave this relationship on God. Okay, this is the reason I told you that this person is moving out of this relationship, and it's you who is trying to stop them. Okay, now let's see how your person feels about this relationship, the World. Your person feels that your chapter has closed. The thing is that it is not yet. Okay, your person feels that it's okay if they are not talking to me, I am not going to put any efforts in this relationship anymore, this is the end of this relationship, I am not going to be in this relationship anymore. So they are not showing it to you because they are King of Pentacles, but still they are feeling sad about it. Okay, this lady is not at all happy. Okay, this lady is not at all happy, so they are, you know, not showing you their genuine emotions. Okay, they are feeling, I mean, as per them this relationship is complete over end. Okay, but what I'm feeling is that it is not the end, it is the beginning of a new cycle. Okay, because as soon as you stop them, okay, to jump from this cliff, there is something new is about to start in this relationship. It is not the end. Okay, it is not the end, it is the beginning of this relationship. Okay. Okay, now let's see what is going to be the future potential. The Star, seven of wands, and the Hermit. So I feel your person will be into this Hermit energy. Okay, for a quite long time. Okay, and it's you who is going to be, you know, very much you know, energetic towards something. I feel that it's you who is going to take action in this relationship in coming time, in future. But with this Star card, the thing I feel that Scorpio, it's you who is very much clear, because as I said, this is not the end. This is not the end of this relationship, it is just a beginning of this relationship. But the thing is that your person is feeling that, oh my god, it is the end of my life, okay, this is closed chapter. No, it is the starting of the chapter. Okay, so I feel that in future your person needs to heal them. Okay, you are the star. Okay, you are their clarity, you are their you know the special star for them, okay, in their life. So first I feel that they should be or they should heal themselves mentally and emotionally, only then they'll be able to see you. And I feel that in future they are definitely going to do that. Okay, because I feel that they'll be into this hermit energy, and I feel that it's you with this seven of wands, okay, who'll be taking and who'll be doing a lot of efforts to make them understand that, see boss, I'm here, hey, I'm here, look at me, look at me, I'm here, I'm here. So it's you who'll be putting a lot of efforts to get their attention back into your life. Okay, and once they'll notice you, they are definitely going to heal their heart and mind with the star card. And once their healing will be done, they'll know that you are their clarity of life. Okay, and trust me, this is not the end, this is the beginning of this relationship. Okay, so Scorpio, I feel that some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, with this Knight of Swords. And yes, okay, and some of you could be dealing with earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, with this King of Pentacles. We have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, with this Eight of Swords and Eight of Wands, Seven of Wands. Some of you could be dealing with Pisces with this Moon card. Some of you could be dealing with Virgo with this Hermit card. Okay, some of you could be dealing with Aquarius also with this Star card. Okay, and we have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, with this Eight of Cups. Okay, we have air element in this card with this Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, with this Fool card. Okay. Okay, yeah, so that was your reading, Scorpio. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.